Hi, my name is Tatyana Griffin, and I'm the Director of Educational Technology at a private high school in Oakland. I'm applying to be a Google certified trainer because I feel like I've built a very deep knowledge of the G Suite for Education apps over the last 10 years, starting as a grad student, and of course before that, but formally as a grad student when I got my master's in educational technology. In industry, when I was working in the video game world, and we were using the G Suite to collaborate. As a trainer, when I was a technology integrationist and getting folks excited about using the tools and staying on top of all the latest developments. And finally, as a teacher, in the last couple of years when I returned to education, after being in education research, I found that the G Suite for Education tools were very powerful ways to encourage collaboration and just get things done. And so now in my role as the director of EdTech, I'm really passionate about empowering educators to use these tools, to collaborate with each other, and to work with students to create transformative learning experiences. So, last week we got an introduction to Google Classroom and learned about the really great classroom management features that exist to allow you to distribute documents, provide feedback, and then return documents back and forth with students. Just to review real quick, if I was to jump into a class that I've created for our group of teachers, you are able to distribute documents to students by creating an assignment. You can choose when attaching a document to either view the file for the students, have them edit the file, or make a copy for each student. If you remember, the strength of this is that it automatically names the file if you make a copy for each student. I'm going to demonstrate this in just a moment. So you'll see in here that the student on the left side automatically is going to have a document that is created for them with their name. Really great classroom management technique. But there's another really great tool that exists as a Google Chrome extension. So you'll notice here that I have a classroom button that is available, and we'll see in a moment what this does for the student. So I'm going to pull up a form that I created that I want to share with students. I'm going to open this up. And so I have the form open in a tab. And now I simply, as the teacher, click on the extension. I choose the class that I want to share it with. I want to make sure that my students actually have the extension enabled here on the test freshman side. And all I need to do now is click the push button. When I do this, this automatically will open up a new tab in the student's window, allowing them to complete the assessment. Really great for just-in-time classroom learning. If you're interested in learning more on how to install the extension on your Chrome browser and share that with your students, come and find me or send me an email. Anyway, happy creating!